Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add free shipping on your Shopify stores. Very easy to do. You just want to be logged into your Shopify store on the home page here. Then you want to go down to settings in the bottom left corner. Once you're on settings, you want to go to shipping and delivery. And then you want to go to manage rates. This will be able to adjust our rates for our shipping. Now, once we go into here, we'll see all the rates that we currently have for shipping, as well as the locations we have it to. You might have multiple profiles here if you have different countries set up in different profiles, but I have all the countries for my store into one, so it's easier for me to change the shipping information. So all you want to do when you're on here to make it free shipping is you just want to go over to the rates that you have right here, and you'll see the prices on the right side. So you just want to go here and just click on the three dots and edit rate, and then you can change this to 0, and then click on done, and you just do this for all three. And then you'll be able to make free shipping for all your orders if you have them all in one profile. Unfortunately, if you have them in all different profiles, you can make them like a custom. Like say, for example, if you want just one country to have free shipping, you can go ahead and just make just the one country free. But I just find it's easier to have everything in one if you want to do the same consistent price all the way through your store. So once you have all your ones free or just the ones that you want free, you just want to click on save. And then this will change your store to free shipping. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If you're looking for more Shopify tutorials and tricks, I do have a playlist down in the comments as well as in the description. Anyhow, be sure to leave a like on this video if it helped you out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.